Hey, just went and test drove a G550 last week on the 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. It was it's priced to go $58,000, $59,000, $58,995, and it's at the North Houston dealership. If you want to go get it, because I don't want it because the seats just ain't doing it for me. Test drove it. Here's the video of it. Let me know what you think.
I feel the weight of it. This thing is gonna be a very good. I'm gonna go straight to the.
All right, this is my verdict. I think it's a luxury vehicle, a high-class luxury vehicle. Weighs a ton. The power's there to get you where you gotta go. This is a 2018 bit turbo, 75,000 miles on it. I think it's great. Like, the seats just wasn't doing it for me. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna pay this type of money for this car, I want the seats I want the cross stitching. They didn't have it, but I never drove a 550, so that's why I test drove it. 4.0 twin turbo, it do what it need to do as far as power wise. The drive, the feel of the drive is analog, if that makes sense, but you still feel that German luxury in the ride, and the power is everything you need to get you where you're going. I wasn't a fan of the sand brown seats without the cross stitching. I want the cross stitching something a little darker, probably black and red, and something flashier. I'm paying this type of money. Like, and plus the verdict is 75,000 miles, less than 10 years old. This truck, I want to say MSRP over 130,000. Now you can get it at a discount price. You don't have, you'll eat depreciation, but you won't eat it as much as the original owner, which he ate a lot. He or she ate a lot. And plus the benefit, the tax write-off benefit. You can write off these cars, even though they're used, for an entire price towards an LLC, your business or whatnot. That's a different video and a different story. But I'm glad you checked out my video. Let me know what you think of G550s in the comments, especially this year. I say 2018, 2017, the sweet spot to strike and get you a good price. Peace.